time you speak, my bone marrow shakes. When I go to sleep, I dream of the times that I'm awake. Every moment spent in the presence of you. God looks down and sees all the good I can do. I am no sweet talker, I'm the worst of all damn time. Planted plenty roots just to tear them from the vine. Patience that you've shown makes me feel that I'm not stuck. Having sense to matrimony, love, only love. These walls are made for shaking, the bedboard's built for breaking. And I've got an aching to make you mine, oh mine. And my heart is for the taking, if you can only take it. And all the things I put you through in time, all the things I put you through in time. Well, these walls are made for shaking, bedboards built for breaking. And I've got an aching, make you mine, oh mine. And my heart is for the taking, if you only want to take it. And all the things I put you through in time, all the things I put you through in time. Well, hi there pluckers, I've Sore Fingers again with you for another interesting song, hopefully. This one again from Bryan. Several requests for this one, and it's a song called In Time. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the first fret, puts us into the same key as Bryan plays this song in. Okay, so the introduction is basically a D, and he's playing a D sus4. So he puts from a D chord, he basically moves this finger up a string to the second fret on the fourth string, and this second finger goes to the second fret on the third string. Okay, keeping that one where it was on the third fret of the second string. So you go from D to A sus4 and into a B minor bar chord. And then a fairly quick G. I'm just playing a four-fingered variety, doubling up on the third fret of the first and second strings on the third fret there. Okay, Bryan tends to play most of his G's with that second finger rather on the third fret of the bottom E string, leaning it in a bit, muting the fifth string. So it's up to you, or you can just play a straightforward G with that first finger on the second fret of the fifth string. But he tends to use just that shape. So leaning this finger in a bit, muting the fifth string. Okay. So the whole intro is D, A sus4, B minor, G, D. Okay. Now the verse is very straightforward. A D. Every time you speak, that A sus4 again. Bone marrow, B minor, shakes. Stay there. When I go to sleep, I dream of G. Times that I'm a D. Wake. And he just repeats it for the next two lines, what you've just done. Okay, so comes in with every time you speak, my A sus4, like you did on the intro, bone marrow, B minor, shakes. When I go to sleep, I dream of G, times that I'm a D. Wake. And then just repeats the same chords for the next two lines. Okay, every moment spent in the D, A sus4, presence of B minor, U. God looks down and sees all the G, good, again D, 2. Then it comes into the second verse and it's exactly the same to play as the first verse with different words. Okay, so D. I am no sweet talker, I'm the A sus4, A7 sus, no A sus4, first of then B minor. Planted play roots just to G, tear them from D, fine. D, patience that you've shown makes me, A sus4, feel that I'm not B minor stuck. Having sense to matrimony, G, love them from only D, love. Okay, so that's basically two verses the same to play, different words. Okay, so let's do the whole song up to that point, shall we? Okay, so intro. Here we go, first verse. Every time you speak, my bone marrow shakes. When I go to sleep, I dream of times that I'm awake. Every moment spent in the presence of you. God looks down and sees all the good I can do. Second verse. And I ain't no sweet talker, I'm the worst of all damn time. Planted plenty roots just to tear them from the vine. Patience that you show makes me feel that I'm not stuck. Having sense to right, now we're going into the chorus, and it does two choruses and then finishes. Okay. So from the D, lost love from only D, love. Right, here comes the chorus. These walls, now that's an A sus2. So it's basically an A chord without pinky, open second string. Just the second on the fourth and the second on the third. 5 down to 1. Okay, so that's on walls. Okay, so these walls are made for, back to the D, shaking, to the G, bedboards are built for breaking, and A sus2 again. I have got a D aching to make you G, mine, all mine. Repeat, A sus2, heart is for D, the taking, G, if you would only take it, and A sus2, the things I have D, put you through in G, time. A sus2, all the things D, I've put you through in G, time. These, and then he goes into the chorus again. Okay, A sus2, walls are made D for shaking, G, the bedboards are built for breaking, A sus2, and I have got D, the aching to make you G, mine, all mine. A sus2, and my heart is for D, the taking, G, if only you can take it. A sus2, and all the thing D, I put you through G in time. Last time, A sus2, and all the things D, I put you through G, stop, finish, time, end of song. Okay, so basically two verses, two choruses. That's how the song pans out. Okay, so let's just do the two choruses again, right, all together. So coming in from the second verse where it goes, having sense to matrimony, right, love from only love. Chorus, these walls are made for shaking, the bedboards built for breaking, and I have got an aching to make you mine, oh mine. My heart is for the taking, if you can only take it, 'cause things I put you through in time. All these things I put you through in time. Well, these walls are these for shaking, the bedboards built for breaking. I've got an aching to make you mine, oh mine. My heart is for the taking, if only you can take it. From all the things I put you through in time. All the things I put you through in time. End of song. And there you have it, boys and girls. Hope that'll help you play that song. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.